And I am Vijay Kumar Pal, an author. Today we will discuss about the Quranic verses, that the Surah Al-Baqarah chapter 2, how these verses are hate spreading verses. These verses is the totally hooliganism against the civil society, against the non-Muslims, and these verses are fully dependent on the stupidity and the fallacy in the name of Allah and so-called self-proclaimed prophet, that is Muhammad bin Abdullah. So we will start to 181, chapter 2, verse 181, Surah Al-Baqarah. Baqarah means in Arabic cow, not Bakri or Baqarah as in Hindi. So, but whoever changes the will after hearing it, the blame will only be on those who made the change. Indeed, Allah is all hearing, all knowing. Here in this verse it has been stated that who are the Muslims and became as ex-Muslims or Jews or the Christians, means they are, if they are leaving the Islam, then blame will be only on those people who are converted into Islam. But my question is that if the blame is only those who are converted or leaving the Islam or converting the ideology and religion, then why the punishment of the killing of a Muslim who is now as not a non-Muslim? Means the Islam is a well, deep well, blind well where you can enter, but you cannot go outside this stupidity of Islam or the blind well of the Islam. Because Islam means when Islam is in your brain, then the wisdom is nil from your body and all the stupidity comes in your mind and brain. Whether you are engineer, in my department, an engineer who was retired as a student engineer, Mr. Makbul Ahmad from Lucknow, when I asked some question from the Islam, he went me on the WhatsApp. Because a Muslim is a totally brainwashed person. Whether he had studied in the science or the medical science or the zoology, botany, chemistry, physics, etc., all the sciences, but he is null and void, means he is devastating his years of the learning or the teaching to taking the or to gain the engineering degree, the medical degree, or any other